The Stadio Olimpico is the largest sports facility in Rome, Italy, seating over 70,000 spectators. It is located within the Foro Italico sports complex, north of the city. The structure is owned by the Italian National Olympic Committee, and it is used primarily for association football. The Stadio Olimpico is the home stadium of the Roma and Lazio football clubs and also hosts the Coppa Italia final. It was rebuilt for the 1990 FIFA World Cup, and it hosted the tournament final. Despite being an Olympic stadium, therefore exclusively dedicated to sport, musical concerts were also held, in particular the concert by Claudio Baglioni on 6 June 1998, which still holds the record attendance at the Olimpico with a total of over 100,000 spectators, thanks to the fact that the stage was located in the center of the stadium and the public surrounded it, filling all the seats. Rated an UEFA Category 4 stadium, it has also hosted 4 European Cup finals, the most recent being the 2009 UEFA Champions League final. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.